guys, and welcome. Today we're over here at the Wilderness Lodge Resort. We're leaving the Wilderness Lodge right now. I'm on one of the boats out back. They got a boat launch if you go all the way back through the property there. And this one that I'm on right now is going to take me over to the Magic Kingdom. So that's the actual boat launch that the Wilderness Lodge has. And now we're going to head on out. Up on the right is the Wilderness Campground, way up in the distance. And they're also building reflections over there. Over on the left-hand side, the distance, you guys got the Bay Lake Tower, and around the corner you're not really seeing, it's the Contemporary Resort. And there's similar resorts connected with a bridge in the middle there. And the Contemporary is right there on the left now, and that's the one you guys know with the monorail going right on through the resort. You know, I say it a lot, and I'll keep doing it. If you guys are visiting down here, you're in the area, jump on these boat rides. Some of these boat rides, a lot of people aren't even familiar with, but they're a nice way to get around without getting in the car, getting on the sometimes crowded monorails, taking the bus system. You just jump on a boat, you sit back, you relax, and you take in all the sights. I'm trying to get caught up right now on somebody requests that people are making, and this is one of them, some of the boat rides. We're going to get this one done today. The weather, it's pretty decent. We're expecting some rain today, and it's scorching hot out, guys. As you see right now, there's another boat coming there. That's coming from the Magic Kingdom, and that's going to head on over to the Wilderness Lodge where we just came from. And we're going to go right on down that little alley where he came out of. Just going to look back at the Wilderness Lodge. And the Bay Lake Tower. And the Contemporary. Now way up on top of the Contemporary there to the left, there's a restaurant up there. So if you guys get a chance, if you're in there, sometimes they let you go up and take a look out the window. Not all the time. But we've gotten lucky a few times. You just go up there, you look out the window, and that oversees Magic Kingdom. That's an incredible view up there, guys. And it's a really nice restaurant, too. There's the boat going on by. It looks like he's heading out to Wilderness Campgrounds. Might actually be heading out to the Wilderness Campgrounds, and they're dropping them off at the Magic Kingdom. And once again, when you guys get here, be familiar with where you're going. I've jumped on these boats several times thinking I'm on my way over to the Wilderness Lodge, and guess what? I'm out in the Wilderness Campground, so I got to jump on another boat and come all the way back. Most of the time it's not a big deal, but when you're in a hurry, it kills a lot of your time. And this is some of the rooms you guys are going to be staying at if you're coming down here and staying at the Contemporary. This is part of the Contemporary Resort. Now these two resorts, the Contemporary Resort is actually the main resort here, and the Bay Lake is actually the resort that kind of piggybacks off of the Contemporary. That's a DVC resort, so they don't have a general store in there. They don't have the, you know, all the stuff you're going to find in a Contemporary. It's probably pretty much just the rooms on that side and check-in. So that's what you're going to see on that side. And if you guys have nothing to do at nighttime, and there's, you know, a great idea, if you're not really looking to spend a lot of money and you're looking to stay in, you can go up on the, when there's like that catwalk that goes from the walkway that goes from the Contemporary over to the Bay Lake. You can go up there, and they've actually got chairs set up there to watch the fireworks at nighttime over at the Magic Kingdom. So I've been up there several times, and we've actually filmed from up there. And that's the monorail. That's the one that's going to take you right on into the Contemporary. And if you guys haven't noticed, I'm here all by myself today. The kids are on vacation, so I'll be recording today by myself. Another good look at the opening, trying to get a picture of a monorail coming in and out for you guys. And there's a monorail. I'm not sure we're going to see it going in, but It goes right on inside that opening. And then you've got your drop-off point on the inside. You'll come downstairs from where you're going to get out, and that's where the first floor is that you're going to be pretty much spending your time on. And I think that's like the third floor, but you're going to be sitting up there, and you've got Chef Mickey's up there, all the stores up there, the resorts up there, or the restaurants up there. We're getting ready to see the Grand Floridian. That's the new Polynesian they're building off in the distance there. I was actually talking to one of the boat drivers today, and they were wondering how they're actually going to make that look like the Polynesian in any way, shape, or form. And that was home of the Luau Cove, so now that's a whole new resort going in there. And that's part of Polynesian. Space Mountain off in the distance. You've got the Walt Disney World Railroad train station right there. It's off to the left. You got one of the ferries right there. Now the ferry's one of the transportation means you got to get into the Magic Kingdom. You're not just going to walk over to the Magic Kingdom. So you're going to park in the transfer station, or you're going to come in out of one of the resorts in the monorails or the buses. But that's going to take you over to the ticket transfer center. That's where all the parking lots are. That's the Polynesian way off in the distance. And if you guys are looking to see what them places are like, just go on our channel, or go on any YouTube channel and just type in what you're looking for. Say Grand Floridian, and then type up Country Bear Tours after that. It'll take you to all of our videos. And we've got quite a many videos out there, guys. We bang the pavement pretty hard. And that's weird being here today without Morgan and Marley. They usually walk around with me. And there's a monorail right there. It's going to get ready to come into the monorail station and stop. And then people are going to disembark. Now I was looking at the parking lot today, and it doesn't look that bad. It looks pretty slow, so I'm curious to see how busy it is in there.
Attention all hands. We are preparing to dock.
We're making our way around. We're going to do a big loop and go in on the right there where that little boat is right there with kind of like a bluish top on it. I call them the pirate ships.
Hold on to the handrail.
There's the Grand Floridian. And they've got a lot of construction going on over there right now. I'm going to get over there later on, and I'm going to do a resort tour. But from what I understand, they've got a heck of a lot of construction going on, so I'm going to see how that turns out. Got another monorail making its way down. And that right there is one of the boat launches, and behind that is the monorail station. And there's them little boats. I call them the pirate ships. I don't know if you guys remember, but years ago over near the Haunted Mansion, they used to have those boats, and it used to be a second boat ride in the Magic Kingdom. You had the big steamboat, and then you had those little ones, and they were located right next to that, down that little walkway. And since then, they've done away with them. I actually liked that little ride. It was nice. I wish they'd put some of that old stuff back in and keep taking all the stuff out. I'm running out of things to do in there. But here we are, making our way up to the docking station there, the boat launch. And that's it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And once again, this is the boat ride from the Wilderness Lodge over to the Magic Kingdom.